Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can whiten your teeth on a video or photos by using CapCut. So in here, you can start by adding your videos and also photos into CapCut. And after that, click on the photo in here. So I'm using a photo and go to the retouch option and click on the face here. Now you just need to find this option, white teeth. So click on the white teeth option, and now you can just adjust the intensity by dragging the circle to the right to adjust the intensity of the white. So you can see there some difference on the teeth. Now you can just go with I'm going to just go with 100. And if you have more than one photos, for example, you can click on apply to all, click on a check icon, and you are done. So guys, that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.